Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert your Lovable app into an APK file. First, make sure your Lovable app is live. Open your project and check that it is published. By default, Lovable gives you a public link. Copy this link, as you will need it later. Next, open your browser and go to a web-to-app service like median.co. Create an account if you do not have one already. After signing in, go to the App Studio or dashboard where you can create a new app. Now, paste the public URL of your Lovable app into the input field. This tells the platform which web app you want to convert into an Android app. Once the URL is added, the service will load your app and prepare it for customization. After that, customize your app. Set the app name as you want it to appear on Android. Upload an app icon and choose a splash screen image. Adjust theme colors to match your brand or your Lovable design. When everything looks good, move to the Build step. Find the button that says Build App or Generate App. Click on it and wait while the platform builds your app in the cloud. This process may take a few minutes. Once the build is complete, download the app file. That is how you can convert your Lovable app into an APK. Thanks for watching.